Hello everyone. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any of our exciting videos. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's not only informative but also incredibly thrilling for anyone interested in naval ships, maritime rescue operations, and coastal defense. Today, we're talking about the BRP Jose Loor Sr. PC-390, a crucial vessel of the Philippine Navy that has played a pivotal role in coastal security, patrol missions, and life-saving operations. If you love learning about military ships and real-life rescue stories, this is a video you don't want to miss. The BRP Jose Loor Sr. is a Jose Andrada-class patrol craft, commissioned in 1997. This ship is specifically designed for littoral combat, meaning it's optimized for operations near the coast, where fast response and maneuverability are essential. Its design follows the American Coast Guard standards, featuring an aluminum hull and superstructure, which makes it lightweight yet highly durable. The ship's structure allows it to operate in shallow waters while remaining robust enough for heavy-duty missions. Let's talk about the engines. BRP Jose Loor Sr. is equipped with two Detroit diesel 16 volts 92 Ta engines, generating a combined power of approximately 2,800 horsepower. This gives the ship a top speed of 28 knots, which is roughly 52 kilometers per hour. This speed is crucial for coastal patrols, rapid response, and emergency rescues. In terms of range, the ship can cover 1,200 nautical miles at 12 knots, and 600 nautical miles at 24 knots, giving it incredible flexibility and endurance for long missions. The armament of BRP Jose Loor Sr. is also impressive. It features 4 M2HB Browning 12.7mm machine guns and 2 M67.62mm machine guns. Additionally, the ship carries a 4-meter rigid inflatable boat rib, which is essential for rapid deployment and rescue missions. These features make the vessel equally effective in both defensive and rescue operations. An equally important aspect is the crew and command structure. The ship operates under the Littoral Combat Force of the Philippine Navy. This force focuses on coastal defense, maritime patrol, and search and rescue operations. The crew is highly trained, ensuring that even the most complex missions are executed with precision and efficiency. BRP Jose Loor Sr. has participated in numerous notable missions, particularly search and rescue operations. In December 2024, the ship rescued a fisherman named Rocco Sambas, who had been adrift at sea for almost 2 weeks. In January 2025, it saved 121 passengers from a wooden boat near Tawi-Tawi province, showcasing its crucial role in coastal safety and humanitarian efforts. Since its commissioning, the ship has undergone multiple upgrades and maintenance schedules to ensure its operational efficiency. Its radar and navigation systems have been enhanced to provide advanced maritime surveillance and situational awareness. These capabilities allow the Philippine Navy to respond to threats and illegal activities along its coastlines in a timely manner. The historical significance of the BRP Jose Loor Sr. is also worth mentioning. It is the 20th ship of the Jose Andrada-class, designed primarily for coastal patrols and littoral combat. For an archipelagic nation like the Philippines, these ships are strategically important, providing protection for coastal regions and islands. The crew's professionalism, teamwork, and bravery are remarkable. Their training ensures that missions are executed smoothly, and they frequently participate in drills and simulations to prepare for emergencies. This preparation is critical, especially in rescue missions, where every second counts. BRP Jose Loor Sr. also plays a vital role in maritime domain awareness. Equipped with advanced radar and sonar systems, the ship monitors illegal fishing, smuggling, piracy, and other maritime threats. Its rapid response and mobility allow it to act as a first responder in emergencies, ensuring the safety of coastal communities. Modern naval operations demand ships to be versatile, fast, and maneuverable. BRP Jose Loor Sr. meets all these requirements. Its design and operational efficiency make it effective for coastal surveillance, humanitarian assistance, disaster response, and maritime law enforcement. The ship's crew members' bravery adds to its reputation. They often put their lives at risk during rescue operations, highlighting that naval service goes beyond defense. It is also about saving lives and providing humanitarian support. Maintenance and periodic upgrades are crucial for BRP Jose Loor Sr. The Philippine Navy regularly refits the ship to maintain peak performance and durability. These updates often focus on radar systems, engines, and onboard equipment, ensuring that the vessel remains compatible with modern naval standards. Strategically, BRP Jose Loor Sr. is deployed in areas that require maximum attention due to the Philippines' vast coastline and numerous islands. Its deployment ensures that illegal activities, maritime threats, and natural disasters are addressed quickly and efficiently. Considering all these factors, BRP Jose Loor Sr. is not only a pride of the Philippine Navy but also an indispensable asset for coastal security, maritime safety, and humanitarian missions. Its efficiency, speed, and versatility make it an effective and reliable vessel in real-world operations. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get updates on every new and exciting video we release. Ships like BRP Jose Loor Sr. are the backbone of maritime safety and defense. Understanding their operations, missions, and design gives us valuable insight into how naval forces contribute to national security and humanitarian efforts. In this video, we covered everything from the ship's design, engines, speed, armament, rescue missions, crew efficiency, to its strategic importance. To sum it up, BRP Jose Loor Sr. is more than just a patrol vessel. It is a dynamic, reliable, and essential tool of the Philippine Navy, safeguarding coastal areas while performing critical humanitarian missions. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel while turning on the bell icon. Stay curious, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video with another fascinating topic.